Will you emerge victorious and claim the title of geography guru? Grab your pen and notebook and let's begin. What is the highest peak in South America? The answer is D. Mount Aconcagua. Healthy mules and horses have been used for many years to carry equipment and fresh food supplies for climbers of Mount Aconcagua. Which river is the longest in the world? The answer is A. Nile River. The Nile River flows from Central Africa and through the northeast to the Mediterranean Sea. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is B. Japan. Japan is located to the east of the Asian mainland where the sun rises. The land of the rising sun has been used since the 607 Common Era. Which desert is the largest in the world? The answer is D. Antarctic Desert. The Antarctic Desert is the coldest desert on Earth and is even colder than the Arctic, which is the other polar desert. What is the capital city of Australia? The answer is C. Canberra. Canberra is one of the sunniest cities in Australia and enjoys warm summers and cool winters. Which continent is home to the Amazon rainforest? The answer is B. South America. The Amazon rainforest spreads across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Colombia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. What is the tallest mountain in the world? The answer is B. Mount Everest. On Mount Everest, the air is thin, temperatures are very cold, and winds are very strong. Neither plant nor animal life can survive the harsh weather conditions. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers almost 63 million square miles and contains more than a half of the Earth's free water. All the continents could fit into the Pacific Basin. What is the capital city of France? The answer is D. Paris. Paris is known for its beauty with the Seine River flowing through the center of the city. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? The answer is C. Finland. The Lakeland district in Finland is a natural beauty with thousands of blue lakes, small islands, abundant wildlife, and dense green forests. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? The answer is D. Coral Sea. The Great Barrier Reef consists of about 3,000 individual reefs. It is so large that it's visible from space. What is the largest island in the world? The answer is B. Greenland. Greenland was once seen as an inhospitable island, but it now offers natural attractions for fearless explorers. What is the official language of Brazil? The answer is A. Portuguese. Brazil is the most populated Portuguese-speaking country in the world. Apart from Portuguese, numerous minority languages are also spoken. What is the capital city of Russia? The answer is D. Moscow. Moscow is Russia's largest city. It is also one of the largest cities in the world and is the most populous city in Europe. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? The answer is C. Norway. Norway experiences more than 70 days of midnight sun during the summer months. The further north you go, the more nights of midnight sun you get. Which river runs through the Grand Canyon? The answer is B. Colorado River. The Colorado River runs for 277 miles through the Grand Canyon National Park. It's an important source of water for millions of people. What is the largest country in Africa by land area? The answer is C. Algeria. Almost 90% of Algeria's land area is taken up by the Sahara Desert, so the majority of the population resides along the Mediterranean coast. What is the smallest country in the world? The answer is B. Vatican City. The Vatican City is one of the most sacred places directly linked with the history of Christianity. The Pope, elected for life, is the head of state for the Vatican City. Which continent is known as the cradle of humankind? The answer is D. Africa. The belief is that the earliest human ancestors were born in South Africa because fossil remains were found there. The oldest evidence goes back more than 3 million years. Where is the city of Istanbul located? The answer is A. Turkey. The city of Istanbul shares two continents, Europe and Asia. The historical and commercial center is located on the European side, and about one-third of the population lives on the Asian side. What is the deepest ocean trench in the world? The answer is C. Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench extends deep down in a remote part of the Pacific Ocean. As deep as this trench is, it has been polluted by plastic. Which country is known as the land down under? The answer is B. Australia. Australia was also called New Holland during the 17th century. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? The answer is D. Angel Falls. The Angel Falls in Venezuela stands at 979 meters or 3,212 feet. It is one of the most fascinating sights to watch. Which island nation is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? The answer is A. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous as a large producer of tea and is also famous for its cinnamon. Where is Mount Fuji located? The answer is B. Japan. Mount Fuji is comprised of multiple volcanoes that overlap. The two volcanoes at the top are called Old Fuji and Young Fuji. What is the highest mountain in Europe? The answer is C. Mount Elbrus. Mount Elbrus is one of the 7 tallest summits in the world. It is located in southwest Russia and is a part of the Caucasus Mountains. Which city is considered the birthplace of democracy? The answer is D. Athens. Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece. It has been the birthplace of many intellectual and artistic ideas. What is the largest city in the world by population? The answer is C. Tokyo. Tokyo, Japan, has a population of over 37 million people with more than 2,600 people per kilometer in the Greater Tokyo area. Which is the driest inhabited continent on Earth? The answer is B. Australia. Australia is also the smallest and flattest continent and the sixth largest country. Which river is considered the cradle of ancient Egyptian civilization? The answer is C. Nile River. The cradle of civilization was often referred to as the Fertile Crescent. This area was famous for fertile soils allowing irrigation and agricultural development. What is the capital city of Argentina? The answer is B. Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is the most populous multicultural city of Argentina and one of the most diverse cities of Latin America. Which country is known as the land of the long white cloud? The answer is A. New Zealand. New Zealand was named the land of the long white cloud by the Maori navigators who were the first ones to discover the country. What is the deepest river in the world? The answer is C. Congo River. The depth of the Congo River reaches over 750 feet, or 230 meters. It runs through the Congo rainforest, which is one of the largest rainforests in the world. Which ocean is located between Africa and Australia? The answer is A. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest of the 5 oceans in the world. It surrounds numerous islands, with the largest being Madagascar and Sri Lanka. What is the capital city of South Korea? The answer is B. Seoul. Almost half of South Korea's population live in Seoul. It is one of the most populous cities in the world. Which mountain range forms the border between Europe and Asia? The answer is D. Ural Mountains. The Urals, one of the oldest mountain ranges, run across western Russia and forms a natural divide to separate the continents of Europe and Asia. What is the largest island nation in the Caribbean? The answer is C. Cuba. Cuba is the second most populous island in the Caribbean with more than 11 million people. Which country is home to the famous Angkor Wat Temple? The answer is A. Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a huge complex of Buddhist temple. It is said to be the largest religious monument in the world. What is the capital city of Canada? The answer is B. Ottawa. Ottawa is one of the coldest capitals in the world. During the winter season, the Rideau Canal in the downtown area becomes one of the longest skating rinks in the world. Which African country is known as the land of 1,000 hills? The answer is C. Rwanda. Rwanda has a very hilly and mountainous landscape. It is known for its breathtaking scenery, giving it the name Land of a Thousand Hills. What is the capital city of Thailand? The answer is A. Bangkok. Bangkok is one of the most visited cities by tourists from all over the world. It is famous for its vibrant street life, rich culture, tasty cuisine, and thriving markets which operate both day and night. Which river forms part of the border between the United States and Mexico? The answer is B. Rio Grande. The Rio Grande is one of the longest rivers in North America. The river is a source of life for millions of people and countless species of wildlife. What is the largest city in Brazil? The answer is D. São Paulo. São Paulo is home to over 44 million people and is one of the most populous cities in South America. Which country occupies most of the Iberian Peninsula? The answer is C. Spain. The Iberian Peninsula is located in southwest Europe, of which almost 80% is occupied by Spain. Portugal occupies almost 20%. What is the highest mountain in North America? The answer is B. Denali, Mount McKinley. Denali, Mount McKinley, is located in south-central Alaska. This mountain range is central to the Denali National Park and Preserve. Which desert covers much of the Arabian Peninsula? The answer is C. Arabian Desert. The Arabian Desert occupies almost the entire Arabian Peninsula, which receives very little rainfall each year. What is the smallest continent in the world? The answer is D. Australia. Australia is one of the largest countries in the world, and it is also a continent. More than one-third of Australia's land area is desert. Which country is known for its tulip fields and windmills? The answer is C. Netherlands. The Netherlands accounts for most of the tulip farms in the world. The country has ideal weather conditions and well-drained soils for growing these flowers. What is the longest river in Europe? The answer is B. Volga River. The Volga River is considered the national river of Russia. It flows through the central to the southern region and into the Caspian Sea. That's it for today, geography enthusiasts. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to challenge your friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it informative. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, fellow adventurers, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep challenging your boundaries. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and we'll see you on the next journey.